Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Williams here. I'm going to talk to you today, a little social studies, rules versus laws. So let's get started. Here we go. We have here the powerful mascot for the United States of America, an eagle. A long time ago, Benjamin Franklin thought, oh, the turkey, but no. Other people said the eagle is more powerful to represent the United States of America. And as you can see here, there's an olive branch here for peace and power here with the little spears, and then the 13 colonies separating from England. So this was brought together by a collaboration of John Adams, Benjamin Franklin, and Thomas Jefferson back in 1776. So we see this symbol or logo on many things that have to do with the government. So what we are talking about today, we have rule. A rule is something that you follow in order to keep you and others safe. So at your house, you might have rules that you do at home with your parents to help keep you safe. For example, if your mom or dad is out, you may be told don't answer the door, different rules just to keep you safe. And then in our classroom, we have rules. So our school rules, we always say please and thank you. We're always nice to people. We listen to everything the teacher says. We try to help keep the classroom clean, and we study and play safely. So that these are rules that we're used to having in the classroom to help everyone feel comfortable and know what the expectations are and know how to be successful. Everyone wants to be successful. Rules help people live and work together in a community. So at home, you might have the rule homework before TV. That's the rule. Or no hitting your sister. Raise your hand to speak would be something more you'd have in the classroom. No running in the hallways so that we don't knock over a classmate or get hurt ourselves. Show respect to others. That means when they're talking, listen to them. And, if you see them carrying a bunch of heavy objects in from the grocery, you might offer to hold the door by showing respect for them. Ask before playing outside at home. You might have that kind of a rule. So those are the things you're probably used to having. But in our society, in the community, we have laws. Okay, so a law is a rule that everyone in a community must obey. So one of the laws that you might think about too is like everyone must wear a seatbelt. And if you get caught not wearing a seatbelt, you have a fine or a ticket or a consequence. Um, the person driving your car anyway would. So laws are legal rules designed to help keep order, protect property, and keep people safe. So drive the speed limit. If you don't, you'll have a consequence or of a ticket. And if you get too many, you might have to go to court and appear before a judge and have an even bigger consequence. So this one says free ride in the sheriff's car if you steal. So no shoplifting. So if you steal something, you could be in trouble with the law, or the policeman would have to talk to you about that. Stop at red lights or you can get a ticket. If you get too many, then you could get your license taken away and have that consequence of not being able to drive when you're older. No littering. If you're caught littering, there's a huge fine for that. That means throwing things out of your car, being at the park and having a snack and not picking up after yourself. You can get fined for that. Texting and driving is something that could harm somebody else in a car. So if someone's driving a car not paying attention. So this one here, no texting and driving. That's why I have the X through it, because that is a law. You should not be texting and driving. This one here says all bicyclists under age 16 are required to wear a helmet. So that's a law that you wear a helmet to keep you safe in case you're in a car accident. That's one of those things that you want to do to keep yourself safe. The other thing that I wanted to talk to you or tell you about on here with the law is too, I have a quiz that follows this. So the quiz on rules and laws, I'm going to read the quiz for you so that when you're taking it, you'll know what to expect. So this question says, is it a rule or a law? Finish your homework before watching TV or television. So you would answer rule or law. You would just click on it. Is it a rule or law? Raise your hand to speak in class. Is it a rule or law to stop at a red light? And this question says, is it a rule or a law to drive the speed limit? Is it a rule or law, do not hit your sister? And this one here, do not text and drive. Is it a rule or a law? So these are the ones you're going to be asked to answer on the Google form next. Is it a rule or a law to be respectful to your classmates? And is it a rule or a law children under the age of 16 must wear a bike helmet? Is it a rule or law do not litter? Is it a rule or a law, no running in the hallway? Is it a rule or law, ask your parents before playing outside with friends? Is it a rule or law, do not steal? So these are the questions that you'll be asked next on the Google form. Great seeing you guys, and I'll talk to you some more about social studies a different day. Thanks. Bye-bye.